My name is Jordan Wong. I'm an artist here in Cleveland, and I do all of my work under the name WONGFACE. So I started this workshop series titled No More Starving Artists because I believe that artists are, of course, wildly creative, and they can use those skill sets and gifts to grow their practice and profession, to thrive financially, to reach new heights professionally, and to do greater work.
I think Jordan's technique and approach is very concise, easy to digest. His graphics are amazing, which also makes it fun. His humor, along with just really a nice, concise package of how it's all presented, which I appreciate that a lot.
This experience was like sitting down with a friend that really, really cares for you, a friend that is like buying you the coffee and telling you like you have to get out of your way.
I think starting off with just advocating for yourself and your worth, that's something I struggle with. So just hearing it from someone who's as successful as Jordan, it really resonated with me. So if an artist was to walk in here, I'm like, hey, this is where it's at. You gotta come here, you gotta learn, and if you're really serious about taking your career to the next level, this is the place to go.
Through this workshop, I've learned that I can make connections now and build relationships now that can benefit me in the long term. So I'm really looking forward to my next moves. Something that we're overcoming is this scarcity mindset. And Jordan brings such an honest vulnerability to this, and he chooses his words very wisely to be able to flip these negative, disparaging thoughts about ourselves into something that's positive.
Sitting in a room with all these creatives who are going through the same challenges and are eager to grow their creative practices, that I'm not alone in this and we're all going through the same thing.
All the information that Jordan has acquired and was so generous into sharing of his experience, of making those connections, of money and time, I thought that was so beneficial.
It was awesome and enlightening, and I'm fired up.
You have to be surrounded with other artists, and listen, Jordan really have your back, really have your back.
It's so powerful to be in a room with other artists who are so passionate and driven and committed to growing their practice and profession.